Hello students, how are you all? I'm sure you all are doing really good. So children, let's begin with our next chapter, which is subject-verb agreement. A verb must agree with its subject in number and person. In other words, the verb should be of the same number and person as the subject in a sentence. तो बच्चों, आपका जो verb होता है वो हमेशा आपके subject से agree करता हुआ होना चाहिए. अब चाहे ये number में हो, चाहे ये person के साथ हो. Now two or more singular subjects join by and take a plural verb. He and his brother were absent. Time and tide wait for no man. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपको एग्जाम्पल देके बताया गया है. दो और दो से ज़्यादा जितने भी आपके सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट होते हैं ये आपके एंड के द्वारा ज्वाइन किए जाते हैं. ठीक है. Note, sometimes two subjects are regarded as representing one idea and then the verb is singular. Slow and steady wins the race. Bread and butter is his favorite food. Early to bed, early to rise, make a man healthy, wealthy and wise. If two singular nouns refer to the same person or things, the verb must be singular. The poet and philosopher is dead. Here, poet and philosopher refer to the same person. The orator and statesman has arrived. Note, if the article is used only once, then the two nouns refer to the same person and the verb used is singular. But if the article is mentioned twice, then two distinct persons are intended and the verb used must be plural. A. The poet and the philosopher are dead. The orator and the statesman have arrived. If two singular nouns joined by and preceded by each or every, the verb is singular. Each day and each hour brings us fresh anxiety. Every man and every woman in the village was terrified. Two or more singular subjects connected by or nor or either or neither nor take a singular verb. Either Mohan or Sohan is in the wrong. Neither Rama nor his brother was present there, and neither praise nor blame seems to affect her. Neither he nor I was mistaken. Ashok or his brother is to blame. Note, when one of the noun or pronoun joined by or neither nor is in the singular and the other is in the plural, the verb should be plural and the plural subject should be placed near the verb. John or his brother are to blame. Neither the teacher nor his students were present. Second, if two subjects join by or neither nor are different persons, the verb should agree in person with the subject nearest to it. Either you or he is telling a lie. Neither you nor he is to blame. ठीक है. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे आपको बताया गया है कि अगर आपका आर्टिकल जो है वो एक ही बार आप यूज़ करते हो तो आपके जो टू नाउन होते हैं वो आपके सेम ही पर्सन को रेफर करते हैं. जैसे कि द पोएट एंड द फिलोसोफर आर डेड. एक ही चीज़ बोली गई है लेकिन दो अलग अलग लोगों के लिए बोली गई है. ठीक है. टू सिंगुलर नाउन्स अगर आपके ज्वाइन किए जाते हैं एंड के द्वारा और उनको प्रोसीड किया जाता है ईच एवरी ऐसे वर्ड्स के द्वारा, तो ये वर्ब क्या कहलाएगा? यहाँ पे सिंगुलर वर्ब कहलाएगा. इसी तरह से आपके जब दो या दो से ज़्यादा सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट जो होते हैं वो आपके और नॉर नीदर ऐसे वर्ड्स के द्वारा कनेक्ट किए जाते हैं, तो यहाँ पे आप सिंगुलर वर्ब ही लेते हो अपने सेंटेंस में. Now third, but it is better to write it as either you are telling a lie or he is. You are not to blame, neither is he. If two nouns are joined by, with or as well as, the verb agrees with the first noun. In other words, if the first noun is singular, the verb must be singular, even if the second noun is plural. Rama as well as his friend has won the prize. Iron as well as gold is found in India. The ship with its crew was lost. A collective noun takes a singular or plural verb according to the sense. If the idea of oneness is expressed, the verb must be singular. If the individual of the collection are referred to, the verb must be plural. The jury, men of the jury were divided in their opinions. The jury, one body, has elected its president. The council meets today in the town hall. The council that met in the town hall were divided. The multitude was frightened as the sight of the lion. ठीक है, आपके कलेक्टिव नाउन जो होते हैं वो सिंगुलर को या प्लूरल को लेते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेंस. ठीक है, अगर आप सिंगुलर पर्सन के लिए बात कर रहे हो या प्लूरल पर्सन के लिए बात कर रहे हो तो आपके कलेक्टिव नाउन जो होते हैं वो उसकी सेंस को बनाते हैं. अगर आपका वननेस जो है वो उसमें एक्सप्रेस किया जाता है तो आपका वर्ब जो है वो सिंगुलर ही कहलाएगा. जैसे आप बहुत सारे पीपल को दिखा रहे हो या उनके ग्रुप को दिखा रहे हो तो अगर ग्रुप को दिखा रहे हो तो वन में आएगा, अगर बहुत सारे अलग अलग पीपल्स को दिखा रहे हो तो वहाँ पे वो प्लूरल में आ जाएगा. Either, neither, each, everyone, may have a, must be followed by a singular. Either of the roads lead to the railway station, neither of the two applicant is suitable. Each of these boys has done his best. Every one of the boat's crew was drawn. Many a man is tempted by gold. Two singular nouns qualify by each and every, even those connected by, and must be followed by a verb in singular. Each boy and each girl was given a prize. Every man and every woman in the village knows him. Errors due to proximity. Often the verb is made to agree in number with a noun near it instead of its proper subject. This should be avoided. The behavior of the children were excellent. Here were should be replaced by was in order to agree with the behavior. Not one of his lectures have ever been printed. The subject is one, not lectures. The verb should be has, not have. By that time 2 weeks salary were due. Here again the subject is salary, not weeks. Therefore the verb should be was, not were. The quality of the mangoes was, not were good. The cost of all these articles has, not have risen. A series of lectures has, not have been arranged on the subject. When a plural number denotes some specific quantity or amount considered as a whole, the verb is generally singular. तो बच्चों हम जान लेते हैं एरर्स किस वजह से आते हैं. जब हमारी प्रॉक्सिमिटी ज़्यादा हो जाती है तो वहाँ पे एरर्स जो हैं वो अकर हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, अक्सर ये देखा जाता है जो आपके वर्ब्स होते हैं वो आपके सब्जेक्ट के साथ या नाउन के साथ क्या होते हैं, अग्री हो जाते हैं इन नंबर्स पे. ठीक है, इंस्टेड ऑफ इट्स प्रॉपर सब्जेक्ट. तो इसे हमें क्या करना चाहिए, अवॉइड करना चाहिए. जब आपका प्लूरल नाउन जो है ये डिनोट करता है सम स्पेसिफिक क्वांटिटी और अमाउंट को और इसे कंसीडर करता है एज ए होल, तो जो वर्ब है वो जनरली क्या कहलाता है, सिंगुलर कहलाता है. 2/3 ऑफ द सिटी इज इन रून्स, नॉट आर. 1,000 rupees is a good sum, not are. For weeks is a good holiday, not are. 10 kilometers is not a long distance these days, not are. Similar rules apply to titles of books and names of sciences. The Arabian Nights is an interesting book, not are. The United States has a big army, not have. Physics is an important subject these days, not are. Mathematics is her weakest subject, not are. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे हमें बताया गया है कि सिमिलर रूल जो है वो अप्लाई करता है जब हम किसी बुक के टाइटल का नाम लेते हैं या किसी साइंस का नाम लेते हैं या किसी कंट्री का नाम हम पर्टिकुलरली लेते हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम आर यूज़ नहीं करते, हम यहाँ पे इज़ यूज़ करते हैं, सिंगुलर फॉर्म जो है वो यूज़ करते हैं. The verb following a relative pronoun always agrees in number and person with its antecedent. I who am your king will lead you. I am the woman who is not are to blame. He is one of those men who knows, not knows, everything. This is the only one of his novels that is not are worth reading. When the subject is one of the followed by a plural noun, one of the peoples, one of the players, the verb is singular. To agree with one of the boys in our class has won a prize. One of the constable was shot dead. But two of many of several of the majority of must be followed by a plural verb. Two of the boys in our class have won prize. Many of the boys have failed. Several of the people were awarded scholarship. The majority of the boys like playing football. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमें बताया गया है कि कैसे आपका जब सब्जेक्ट वन होता है एक के बारे में बात की जाती है और वो फॉलोड कर रहा होता है प्लूरल नाउन के साथ तो आपका जो वर्ब है वो सिंगुलर ही रहता है, ठीक है, और वो वन के साथ ही क्या करता है, एग्री करता है, जैसे यहाँ पे आपको एग्जाम्पल में बताया गया है। अगर आपके टू ऑफ, मैनी ऑफ, सेवरल ऑफ ऐसे वर्ड आप यूज़ करते हो तो ये आपके प्लूरल वर्ब के साथ ही फॉलो करते हुए आएंगे। A lot of, plenty of, some of, half of, most of take a plural verb if the reference is to number, that is to things that are countable, but they will take a singular verb if the reference is to amount or quantity, that is non-countables. Some of the houses are not fit to live in. Some of the luggage are spoiled by the rain. Half of the mangoes were sour. Most of the people preferred tea to coffee. A lot of work still remains to be done. There are plenty of books on that subject. There is plenty of time before the bus leave. A lot of, plenty of, some of, half of, most of ऐसे जो words होते हैं ये आपके रेफ़र करते हैं नंबर्स को, ठीक है, और ये हम लेते हैं किसके साथ, सिंगुलर वर्ब्स के साथ ही साथ ये अमाउंट को, क्वांटिटी को क्या करते हैं, रेफ़र करते हैं। नंबर ऑफ जो होता है ये ऑलवेज फॉलो किया जाता है प्लूरल वर्ब्स के साथ, इसका मतलब होता है सेवरल और मैनी। There have been a number of accidents this year. A large number of books are missing from the library. A great deal of, a good deal of, a large quantity of are always followed by a singular verb since these expressions denote amount or quantity. A great deal of money was spent on the repair of old house. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपको एग्जांपल देके बताया गया है कि आपका जो ग्रेट डील होती है या गुड डील होती है, लार्ज क्वांटिटी होती है, ये हमेशा सिंगुलर वर्ब के साथ ही क्या किए जाते हैं, फॉलो किए जाते हैं, ठीक है। क्यों? क्योंकि ये भी किसी अमाउंट को या क्वांटिटी को ही डिनोट करते हैं, जैसे यहाँ पे आपको एग्जाम्पल में बताया गया है। तो बच्चों, आई होप आपको ये चैप्टर अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा। अब इसका रिविजन और दी गई एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से करेंगे।